Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Government Guru. In this video, we will go through the most important 49 general knowledge questions and its answers on the coronavirus. These are the important questions and may get asked in the exams like SSC, railway exams, banking exams, UPSC and other competitive exams. So let us start with the questions and answers. The coronavirus has originated from which country? Option A, Japan. Option B, China. Option C, India. Option D, United States. The answer is obviously option B, that is China. Next question is, the social distancing can help prevent coronavirus. Option A, yes. Option B, no. Option C, can't say. And option D, none. So the answer is option A, that is yes. Social distancing help prevent coronavirus. It will break the coronavirus chain. Name the coronavirus vaccine developed by Serum Institute Pune. Option A, COVID plus. Option B, Covaxin. Option C, Covishield. And option D, vaccine. So the answer is option C, that is Covishield. So there is a correction here. The option is C instead of option D, that is Covishield. Next question is, what are the best ways to guard yourself against the virus? Option A, eating more vegetables. Option B, covering the nose and mouth when sneezing, putting the used tissue in a closed bin. Option C, taking antibiotics. Option D, consulting a doctor. So the answer is option B, covering the nose and mouth when sneezing, putting the used tissue into the closed bin. Next question is, what is the recovery time for the coronavirus disease? Option A, 1 to 3 weeks. Option B, 2 to 6 weeks. Option C, 4 to 8 weeks. And option D, 5 to 10 weeks. So the answer is option B, that is 2 to 6 weeks. Next question is, what precaution you can take to protect yourself from the virus? Option A, avoid traveling or crowd. Option B, maintaining health and hygiene. Option C, using the sanitizer or soap regularly. Option D, all of the above. So the answer is option D, that is all of the above. Next question is, quarantining yourself can help to reduce the coronavirus. Option A, yes. Option B, no. Option C, can't say. And option D is none. So the answer is option A, that is yes. Quarantining yourself can help to reduce the coronavirus. Next question, recently CSIR NAL has developed BiPAP non-invasive ventilator for COVID-19. Name it. Option A, Swasth Vayu. Option B, Antariksh. Option C, Suraksha. And option D, Swasth Nigrani. Answer is option A, that is Swasth Vayu. Who has been chosen in an awareness campaign run by WHO against COVID-19? Option A, Virat Kohli. Option B, Sunil Chhetri. Option C, MS Dhoni. And option D, Sania Nehwal. So the answer is option B, that is Sunil Chhetri. The next question is, the National Institute of Virology has achieved success in developing the nation's first indigenous COVID-19 antibody test kit. Name it. Option A, ELI. Option B, Swarn. Option C, ELISA. And option D, Suraksha. So the answer is ELISA. The next question is, which state of America has seen the highest number of coronavirus cases? Option A, Washington. Option B, California. Option C, New York. Option D, Florida. So the answer is option C, that is New York. Next question is, Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman has announced the relief package of how many lakhs crores for the migrant laborers and poor people? Option A 1.7 lakh crore, option B 1.5 lakh crore, option C 2.4 lakh crore, and option D 2.9 lakh crore. So the answer is 1.7 lakh crore, option A. The next question is, Reliance opened a hospital dedicated to COVID-19 in which city? Option A Mumbai, option B Pathankot, option C New Delhi, and option D Kanpur. So the answer is option A Mumbai. Next question is, who declared that whole world has entered into economic recession because of COVID-19? Option A WHO, option B UNICEF, option C ADB, and option D IMF. So the answer is IMF, option D. The next question is, Tokyo Olympics has been cancelled for how many years because of COVID-19? Option A 2 years, option B 3 years, option C 1 year, and option D 4 years. So the answer is option C, that is 1 year. Who started Operation Namaste in order to tackle with COVID-19? Option A Indian Army, option B Indian Air Force, option C Indian Navy, and option D Indian Coast Guard. So the answer is option A Indian Army. The next question is, Abbott Laboratories, who have launched 5 minutes testing kit for coronavirus, belongs to which country? Option A Japan, option B China, option C America, and option D UAE. The answer is option C America. Next question is, which state chief minister launched self-declaration COVID-19 app? Option A Nagaland, option B Punjab, option C Rajasthan, and option D Madhya Pradesh. The answer is option A Nagaland. Next question is, which country's PM is infected with coronavirus? Option A France, option B Iran, option C Britain, option D America. So the answer is option C Britain. Next question is, which country is affected by hantavirus? Option A Japan, option B Russia, option C China, option D America. The answer is option C China. Next question is, which app is launched by Indian government in order to track the location of corona infected people? Option A Corona Track, option B Corona Location, option C Corona Kavach, and option D Corona Stop. So the answer is option C Corona Kavach. Next question is, how many months has been granted by RBI on debit EMIs? Option A 1 month, option B 3 months, option C 6 months, and option D 8 months. The answer is option B, that is 3 months. Next question is, on which date Janata curfew was imposed in India? Option A 23rd of March 20, option B 3rd May 20, option C 2020 22nd March, option D 25 March 2020. So the answer is 22nd of March 2020, option C. The next question is, which state government has formed Team 11 in order to tackle the COVID-19? Option A Rajasthan, option B Uttarakhand, option C Punjab, and option D Uttar Pradesh. So the answer is option D Uttar Pradesh. Next question is, what is the name of COVID-19 test? Option A COVID test, option B ECG, option C EEG, and option D RT-PCR. So the answer is option D, that is RT-PCR. Next question is, in which country maximum people died due to COVID-19? Option A China, option B Japan, option C North Korea, and option D America. So the answer is option D, America. Next question is India's biggest hospital for treatment of coronavirus constructed in which state? Option A, Punjab. Option B, Rajasthan. Option C, Karnataka. And option D, Odisha. The answer is option D, Odisha. Next question is name the new website launched by Google in order to spread awareness regarding the COVID-19. Option A, google.com/corona. Option B, google.com/coronavirus. Option C, google.com/covid19. And option D, google.com/coronavirus. So the answer is option C, google.com/covid19. Next question is Princess Maria Theresa died due to coronavirus belongs to which country? Option A, Spain. Option B, France. Option C, China. Option D, Japan. The answer is option A, Spain. Next question is CRISIL has estimated India's GDP growth rate for financial year 2021 is option A 3.5%, option B 2.6%, option C 3.1% and option D 2.3%. So the answer is option A 3.5%. Which bank has started COVID-19 emergency credit line for its customers? Option A, SBI. Option B, PNB. Option C, BOI. Option D, Dena Bank. So the answer is option A, that is SBI, State Bank of India. Which medicines export was restricted because of coronavirus? Option A, paracetamol. Option B, Revital. Option C, Disprin. And option D, hydroxychloroquine. So the answer is option D, hydroxychloroquine. Which state became India's first state to launch self-assessment tool in order to treat coronavirus patients, COVID-19 patients? Option A, Goa. Option B, Maharashtra. Option C, Gujarat. Option D, Uttarakhand. The answer is option A, Goa. Next question, how many days remain total lockdown due to coronavirus phase 1, phase 2 and phase 3? Option A, 45 days. Option B, 50 days. Option C, 54 days. And option D, 64 days. So the answer is option C, that is 54 days. What is the official name given to coronavirus disease originated from Wuhan? Option A, Wuhan Corona. Option B, coronavirus 19. Option C, new corona. And option D, COVID-19. So the answer is option D, that is COVID-19. Who has declared COVID-19 as an epidemic? Option A, WHO. Option B, UN. Option C, China. And option D, India. Answer is option A, WHO. Next question, who declared COVID-19 a pandemic? Option A, UN. Option B, UNICEF. Option C, ADB. And option D, WHO. Answer is option D, that is WHO. How many days retained coronavirus lockdown for phase 1? Option A, 19 days. Option B, 20 days. Option C, 21 days. And option D, 22 days. Answer is option C, that is 21 days. What is the name given to the disease caused by coronavirus spread in Wuhan city? Option A, COVID-19. Option B, China virus. Option C, Corona 19. And option D, none of these. The answer is option A, COVID-19. COVID-19 affects which part of the human body? Option A, heart. Option B, lungs. Option C, brain. And option D, none of these. So the answer is option B, that is lungs. Next question is, in which Indian state has full curfew been imposed due to coronavirus in the first time? Option A, Punjab. option B Haryana, option C Rajasthan, and option D is Kerala. The answer is option A Punjab. What is the name given by scientists to coronavirus before Wuhan city? Option A China virus, option B SARS-CoV-2, option C COVID-19, and option D none of these. So the answer is option B SARS-CoV-2. On which day is the public curfew, Janta curfew, imposed due to coronavirus? Option A 22 March 20, option B 23rd March 20, option C 24th March 20, option D 20 March 20. So the answer is option A 22nd of March 2020. How many days retain coronavirus lockdown in phase 2? Option A 19, option B 20, option C 21, option D 22. The answer is option A 19 days. When Indian government announced coronavirus lockdown phase 1? Option A 22 March 2020 to 11th of April 2020, option B 23rd of March 2020 to 12th April 2020, option C 24th March 20 to 13th April 20, option D 25th of March 20 to 14th of April 20. So the answer is option D 25th of March 20 to 14th of April 20. How many days remain coronavirus lockdown phase 3? Option A 10, option B 12 days, option C 14 days, and option D is 16 days. So the answer is option C 14 days. Next question is, are face masks are highly effective in protecting you from the coronavirus? True or false? The answer is option B, that is false. Chinese outpost of British and US universities will remain shut down till 1st of May 2020. Option A true, option B false. The answer is false. So thank you for watching this video. Hope you have enjoyed watching it. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for such more informative videos. Also click on the bell icon to get the upload notifications. Thank you.